Hola, buenos tardes. Today's question is, what is the subjunctive? We use the subjunctive to express things that are uncertain, like desires, hopes, and dreams. Por ejemplo, if your mother says, Yo espero que tú saque un buenos notas, she hopes that you get good grades, she is expressing something that she hopes will happen, not something that is definite. The subjunctive is formed in two clauses separated by que. When determining subjunctive, if the first clause determines a fact before que, the sentence is indicative. If the first clause does not confirm fact, it is subjunctive. When identifying the subjunctive, we use the first clause. Por ejemplo, es verdad que tú naciste en Mexico. Es verdad means it is true, which signifies fact, meaning this sentence would be indicative. Versus, if I start a sentence with yo espero que, which means I hope that, signifies a hope or wish, which is not definite, showing the subjunctive. In the subjunctive, verbs take on their opposite ending. So, AR verbs have ER endings, and ER and IR verbs have AR endings. So, let's conjugate. We're going to conjugate the verb mirar, which is an AR verb. Now, to conjugate to the subjunctive, as I said before, we would be adding the opposite ending. The opposite ending for an AR verb is E in the yo form. So you would have yo mire. The next verbs we're going to conjugate are ER and IR verbs. We're going to conjugate the verb comer to the ustedes form. Comer is an ER verb, meaning its opposite ending is a. And for the ustedes form, it becomes on, to be plural, which means the new verb you have is coman. Salir has stars because, unlike comer and mirar, salir is a stem-changing verb, which means first you must change salir to salga. Now you can make procedure conjugation, and we're going to conjugate salir into the to form, meaning the new verb you have, salgas. The previous conjugations that we have gone over only apply to regular subjunctive verbs. A fun acronym to remember your irregular subjunctive verbs is dishes. The conjugations for these verbs are as follows. Dar, yo de, tú des, ella de, nosotros demos, ellos den. Ir, yo vaya, tú vayas, él vaya, nosotros vayamos, ellos vayan. Saber, yo sepa, tú sepas, ella sepa, nosotros sepamos, ellos sepan. Haber, yo haya, tú hayas, él haya, nosotros hayamos, and ellos hayan. Estar, yo esté, tú estés, ella esté, nosotros estemos, ellos estén. And lastly, ser. Yo sie, tú seas, ella sie, nosotros siemos, and ellos. Now that we've gone over irregular and regular conjugations and identifying the subjunctive, we are ready for sentence examples. Mi amigo quiero que salga la casa. Quiero is a want, not definite, identifying the subjunctive. The verb salir is a stem-changing verb that we went over, conjugated to salga. Another example, yo quiero que hable español. Note once again the opposite ending in hablar and quiero being a want. Our final example, yo espero que tú sepas el subjunctivo. I hope that now you know the subjunctive.